Do you wish you could have a project that has data pre-populated for a demo or some training? We will look to see how we can use the DevOps Demo Generator. Azure DevOps Demo Generator is an open source project to allow you to create new projects with pre-populated data, as well as enabling you to create a template for a standard project creation. In this video, we will see how you can use the standard templates from Microsoft. If you head over to the link below in the description, which is Azure DevOps Demo Generator.azurewebsites.net. I know this doesn't sound like a URL which has been branded by Microsoft. It's because it isn't. Doesn't stop it from working. And Microsoft has open sourced this project, and this URL is the documented location to run the Azure DevOps Demo Generator. When you sign in, you need to make sure that you accept the permissions to allow the generator to access Azure DevOps. So let's head over and sign in. And here are the different permissions that Azure DevOps Demo Generator require. If we just accept these. In addition to this list, we also need to have the ability to add items from the marketplace, as some of the templates require components from the marketplace to make them work. You will get notified if you don't have the right permissions. But if you've got this far, then so far, so good. So we need to select the organization this is for, type in the new project name. There are several templates available, too many to mention. Depending on the template you select, there are many additional marketplace components that you require to install. So you need to make sure you accept the terms and conditions just down here to say that you're okay with the third parties components to be installed and you fully understand they're not Microsoft's. Click on Create Project. I will fast forward this so you don't have to wait for the full process to complete. Great, we've now got a message saying, congratulations, your project is successfully provisioned. So we head back to our Azure DevOps homepage and just click on the Azure DevOps button. You can now see we've now got the Test Demo Generator project. Clicking on it, now we can see the project stats with 130 work items, 30 complete, and we've also got information about the repositories and the pipelines. So let's head over looking at the boards. Here are all the work item tickets created. If we head over to repos, we've got not just this repository, but also the public web Git repository as well. And then finally, if we head over to the pipelines, we have got a build and a release definition. So as you can see, that was quite straightforward on how to create a Azure DevOps project using a demo generator. Why don't you head over and to your organization and create some of the templates? I'm quite interested in which ones you generate. So please put a comment below to say which ones you've generated. You may be wondering, how do I remove the Azure DevOps Demo Generator permissions? You head over to your Azure DevOps profile, and in here you've got the authorizations. These are the authorized OAuth apps, and in here is the Azure DevOps Demo Generator. So if we click the bin, it asks if we want to revoke, and we will. Right, that's it. Azure DevOps Demo Generator has been revoked. But if you go back to Azure DevOps and sign in again, it will ask you again to reauthorize. So you can remove it and you can add it back as easily as that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.